We all know the importance of clean air. It's essential for our health and well-being, especially when we spend so much time indoors. While traditional air purifiers have been around for a while, there's a new wave of innovation making waves: water-based air purifiers. Water-based air purifiers offer a natural and effective way to clean your indoor air. They use the power of water to trap pollutants, allergens, and impurities, leaving your home feeling fresh and clean. These purifiers are becoming increasingly popular as people search for healthier and more eco-friendly ways to improve their indoor air quality. Imagine a breath of fresh air, free from dust, pollen, pet dander, and even unpleasant odors. That's the promise of water-based air purifiers. They're not just a trend, they're a revolution in indoor hygiene, offering a simple yet effective solution to the growing problem of indoor air pollution. Whether you're concerned about allergies, pet dander, or simply want to breathe cleaner, healthier air, water-based air purifiers are a fantastic investment in your well-being. So let's dive in and explore how these innovative devices can transform your home into a haven of pure, refreshing air. Water-based air purifiers, also known as air washers, use a simple yet ingenious method to purify the air. They essentially recreate the natural air cleansing process that occurs when it rains. Intrigued? Let me explain. These purifiers work by drawing in dry, stale air from your room. Inside the unit, this air is passed through a bath of spinning water. The water acts like a magnet, trapping dust mites, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne particles. As the dirty air passes through the water, it also picks up moisture, adding a touch of humidity to your space, which can be especially beneficial during dry seasons or in arid climates. The result is cleaner, fresher air that's easier to breathe and gentler on your respiratory system. Think of it like this. Imagine a dusty room after a refreshing downpour. The air feels cleaner, smells fresher, and there's a noticeable difference in the overall ambiance. Water-based air purifiers replicate this natural phenomenon, providing a continuous cycle of air purification and humidification right in your home. Investing in a water-based air purifier comes with a range of benefits that can significantly improve your indoor environment and overall well-being. Here are some of the key advantages. Improved air quality. This is the most obvious benefit. By removing pollutants, allergens, and impurities, these purifiers create a healthier breathing environment, particularly beneficial for allergy and asthma sufferers. Natural humidification. Unlike traditional air purifiers, water-based models add moisture to the air, preventing dryness that can irritate the skin and respiratory system. This is especially helpful during winter when indoor heating can make the air uncomfortably dry. Cost-effective water-based purifiers are generally more affordable to operate than their HEPA filter counterparts. They don't require expensive filter replacements and rely on the readily available and inexpensive resource of water. Environmentally friendly. These purifiers are a greener choice as they don't rely on disposable filters that contribute to landfill waste. Using water as the primary filtration method minimizes their environmental impact. Quiet operation water-based air purifiers are known for their quiet operation, making them ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, and other spaces where noise pollution is a concern. These benefits make water-based air purifiers a compelling choice for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality naturally and cost-effectively. While anyone can enjoy the benefits of cleaner air, water-based air purifiers are particularly advantageous for certain individuals. Allergy and asthma sufferers. If you or your loved ones suffer from allergies or asthma, these purifiers can significantly improve your quality of life. By removing common triggers like dust mites, pollen, and pet dander, they can alleviate symptoms and make breathing easier. Pet owners, pets, while beloved companions, can contribute to indoor air pollution through shedding, dander, and even litter box odors. Water-based purifiers can effectively trap these particles, creating a cleaner and more pleasant environment for both you and your furry friends. Families with young children. Babies and young children are particularly susceptible to respiratory issues caused by poor air quality. Water-based purifiers provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring your little ones breathe clean and healthy air. Individuals with respiratory conditions. Those with respiratory conditions like COPD or emphysema can benefit from the cleaner, more humidified air provided by these purifiers. The added moisture can ease breathing and reduce irritation. Anyone seeking a natural solution. If you prefer a more natural and eco-friendly approach to air purification, water-based purifiers are an excellent choice. They utilize the power of water, a renewable resource, to cleanse your indoor air effectively.